Welcome to In Your Words, a weekly segment of LMP's opinion section in which we read and respond to your letters. We receive hundreds of letters and we read all of them. In this segment, we highlight a few that we found most interesting. Election races, presidential and otherwise, are still front and center. John Chesters of Landisville writes, "We are concerned about the establishment in Washington, but will we continue to select the establishment candidates in the down-ballot congressional races? Do we expect a different result?" John Wade of Paradise, "Donald Trump is flawed, yes, but he is the last chance we have to turn away from the progressive ideology that is well on the way to destroying the dream that is America. God help us all." Nicholas Veronis of Manheim Township, "Never in my lifetime have I witnessed a person who is so morally and intellectually unfit to be president of the United States as Donald Trump." William Rodgers of East Hempfield Township isn't thrilled with either candidate. "Our two-party system has failed to produce a candidate for president who inspires confidence or trust. We have the worst scenario that I can recall in my 77 years. Ruth Zweifel of East Earl Township weighs in on the Affordable Care Act. "Thank you, Obamacare, for your health insurance plan for 2016, which allowed me to see my own doctors, but is not affordable in the least." And finally, for something completely different, Dr. Jim Goddard writes, "Your article about pawpaws, the forgotten fruit, September 28th, reminds me of happy days at my Boy Scout and church camps in the mountains of western Pennsylvania. We would sit around the log fire after dark, listen to stories, and sing. A favorite song always sung with enthusiasm was Paw Paw Patch. And for the good of everyone within earshot of me, I promise I will not sing the song." That will do it for us this time. You can write us at lancasterletters@lmpnews.com. We read every letter we receive, and you can read what we think in the opinion section at lancasteronline.com. Thanks for watching. I'm Rich Maneri. See you next time.